Rimshot, I landed their plane for them before it took off. Hey, Rimshot, I landed that plane before it even thought about taking off. Trinitron, you heard what I said, Trinitron. I'm going to let the video gate tell it. Hey, Trinitron, I got the video gate rolling, Trinitron. Now what you think?
I'm glad you went on the number one station today. We might need that number one station someday, but you didn't need it today. I gave you 73.
Yeah, Trinitron. Hear him riding all them carriers. Man, my radio's a mess, but you riding and gliding. My radio is a mess. Stay on that key. Wait till you hear what you need to hear. I'm telling you, that duck plucker needs to be spanked a little bit. Hear the boldness of his audio? Here he's got more carrier in the gate. Here is carrier power. It's not so wishy-washy.
Burning down the house, yeah. Rock and roll, get on down.
We haven't heard a word in probably 4 months or so, maybe longer. They said
You're going to hear a difference when you hear yourself on the radio. A little more carrier to boost that audio.
Hey, Stormtrooper, let my buddy Rimshot know that 85's on top of...
Hey, Trinitron 9, I did not stutter. And I don't think I heard you stutter. Hey, Trinitron 9, you know what you're seeing. And I didn't hear you stutter at all. 127, a pistol went bang. You know what they say, right? Some say father know best. Some say father know best. But you know what Daddy made sure? Richie know best when it come to this game. 127 getting on that.
Yeah, that's a long time friend of mine. Tell him to leave me alone, Stormtrooper.
it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Ground plane. Worldwide ground plane. Read them out.
That worldwide ground plane made it into the pistol grip New York video gate. That worldwide ground plane made it into the New York City show and tell.
Friendly high five, and I'm getting on down. I'll see you. 10-7.
Neighbor, are you going to try to work that station?
Over 2,000. This baby driver.
Neighbor, I know you're not going to sit there and look at your equipment. Keep that damn mic.
What are you talking about?
You fucking quiet fucking mouse.
Yeah, I'm in the mobile.
Alright, well, work that damn thing.
I'm not turning, I'm not moving from where I am in order to play.
You in the mobile, huh? Let me see that carrier. I set this brand new meter to the service manual. Let me see what that says.
Well, whatever it says, I'm in the mobile. I'm on Winthrop facing you, but I can't move nowhere. If it ain't coming out the west, I ain't talking to him.
Well, it's got you sitting between the 3 and the 0 on the plus 30. So I guess I said it correctly. It's got your mobile 5 blocks away between the 0 and the 3 on the plus 30. Love the way I set these things back. Love it, love it, love it.
Happy New Year, 9. If you got a small copy, suffer with the New Year's wave is quiet. Yeah, too many sweet thing problems.
He got you, surfer. He shot it back.
Alright, big brother, I'm sitting here in the garage. I'm wrapping and capping. Yeah, I ain't got a real good copy on him in the mobile. In the mail. Tell him I said Happy New Year right back if he didn't get a grip on my lip. Tell him Happy New Year right back if he didn't get a grip on my lip. Turn 9, rocket and roll.
He's sitting in the mobile, Trim, but looking like the bass in my receiver. Trim, he's sitting in the mobile, but looking like the bass to the video game.
Take care, my friend. Stay warm, big brother. It's been to get cold this next week. It's time to get down here around the sand pile, around the southern end, no doubt. Top of the weekend to you,
Trent, I'm about to tip the 8-minute zone. Trent, I'm tipping over the 8 mark, Trent. Uh-oh, it tipped. I'm gone. It's 12:20 in New York City. It's 12:20 in New York City. It's 20 past noon, 20 past high noon, 127 New York. Got that.
Skip lamp in the hold on my receive. Right down here on the sand pile. See if I can't copy some mail.
Hot rod, hot rod, hot rod. You copping mail, Hot Rod, and you busting RPMs in Brooklyn, New York City. Hot Rod, I got this New York City camera. I got this New York City show and tell rolling. Hot Rod, 127 Brooklyn, New York.
Hey, 127 top of New team, man. Everything sounding good down there close to Tampa Bay. You hear Hot Rod on this sand pile.
Hot Rod, I hear you. I got a whole room full of you. I got the video gate rolling. I'm in the 9-minute zone. I'm looking at the clock. 9:28.
Hey, man. Hope everything's all right up there. Hope this New Year's good to you. I'm Brooklyn. Hey, man. Hey, Billy in the bag. Billy in the bag. Billy in the bag. That guy. Get on the sand pile, Hot Rod, son.
Hot Rod, I'm trying to thaw out the antenna, Hot Rod. Hot Rod, the antenna's getting thawed out right now. Hot Rod, the antenna's thawing out. 127. Good morning. Good afternoon. Whatever the case is.
127, Billy in the bag. 127, Billy in the bag. Brooklyn, you on the place. You on the receiver, Brooklyn. I'll get out of your way.
10-4, Roger Howard. Yo, Billy in the mag, what you jumping up for, Billy? I heard you. Billy in the mag, what's up, Billy? Billy, you being good today, Billy? Because I don't need a Billy badass.
Billy bag. What you need? Tattoo.
I got a couple of cheerleaders here in New York City think they're badass. I got a couple of cheerleaders who've been trying to convince and hypnotize me that they're badass. 127 getting on there.
127, do your thing. Do your thing. Billy got this ring. Damn, that's a good sound of radio.
Billy, I'm doing it the only way I know how to do it, but everybody's telling me I got a good sound on radio. Billy, I do it the only way I know how to do it for whoever wishes me to do it for them. Billy, I only know how to do this one way.
Hey, 10-4 to 127. We could be efficient. 733 told you that in the bayou, and we're gone.
I appreciate all those flowers, 733. It's just a 39-year-old radio with a stock mic. Hey, 733, it's just a 39-year-old Superstar 3900 with a Superstar stock mic and a stupid star behind the mic I got now.
Hey, 10-4, 10-4. So do I. Have a good one, my friend. Hey, Billy Bob. Hey, how about that Billy Bob? 350 Iowa waving a hand. 350 Iowa making noise around Tony Ellen. Out here 350 Iowa making noise.
Do you hear it, Trent?
Yeah, about that radio land out there, 2029, North Central Arkansas.
Number 9, Tony Ellen playing in my way. Hey, I got it all, Billy Bob. Sound to get out here around Iowa. We'll be on the Chile side, but I'll be on your side today. Hey, Billy Bob, I appreciate the shout. Take care. Welcome to the new year, 350 Iowa. See ya. Bye-bye.
Hey, sir.
Yes.
I couldn't find the service manual to the 3900, so I had to go to its equal brother, the same board. I set it to the Mirage 88. I used the Mirage 88 specs on this.
Wally Cruz on a Shanghai. 1212. Wally Cruz on a Shanghai.
How'd I do?
Sounds alright. Sounds it's clear. Audio's good.
Yeah, you should have heard the way it was banging up in Ricochet's radio. He was telling Superman, yeah, he built those antenna Soup's talking on. He was telling him I built that shockwave. You might be talking on the one that I built. And we're going at it. This IMAX destroyed that shockwave so bad. Ricochet killed his own playback. The minute I heard, I kept giving Soup a head start. But the minute I busted over his head, the dB difference, the audio sound quality you heard for about 2 seconds was freaking amazing. The 30, 40 feet above the ground IMAX versus the 600 feet in the air shockwave.
That's what we supposed to be. So right now, 600 feet in the air.
Yeah, where his location at over there, his foundation, the foundation to his house was roughly between 500 and 600 above sea level. He had to go back to his bigger than the beam house to mess with me.
Hey, you got conditions out here in the
Bigger than the house beam, I should say. He had to flip back to his bigger than the house beam to mess with me, because his shockwave couldn't do it.
It's about 30 degrees out there right now, but in the morning they said about 33. And then Tuesday morning.
But the sound you heard in that playback, the side-by-side sound, forget about it. One sounded like a number 1 and the other one sounded like a 10 plus.
Hey, man. Go ahead. I got my fucking bridges tested. I finally did.
You know how many times I had to set this drifty old thing so it would lock on that line? Sir, I had to bust this thing 3 times, sir. Sir, if I had to set and lock this thing 3 times for it to sit straight. You know how aggravating that was, watching it for 3-4 days on that line, busting that line, and then turning on the next day and it's showing 2Ks off the line? That's irritating, bro. Nobody understands about these old Galaxy and Unit export boards. Nobody understands about what makes them old Galaxies so drifty. And this right here was cleaning the crop.
Oh, we ain't no more cash, man. Devil, you're Billy Bear in the radio sounding good up here in Iowa, man. You're coming.
But I bet you we go to 19 right now and I key this in on that live feed. I'm cutting that center line down its whole middle. I bet you if we switch to channel 19 right now, and you turn that feed on, you see me cracking that line so good down its middle. I got line on each side of me. See, most guys that do radios, and absolutely none of them on the factory bench understand this. I know somebody heard me explaining about the factory and shit. Right away they wanted to run this their topic, but the factory guys are not trained. Half the guys doing what I do in the business don't even realize it, but it's never on frequency. It revolves around frequency. So when we set that bitch on frequency, you gotta remember, that adjustment that we just set is still spinning. That oscillator is still revolving. It could take days and weeks for that oscillator, depending on your radio use, to stop spinning or moving, even with the radio turned off.
Shots running in the garage, a bunch of DC stuff, man. It cannot let you. 781, you got a copy on 430 Central Arkansas. Worldwide nice guy. That's a lot of horsepower. Hey, Lander Lincoln, Smoke Radio. 781's out here, kind of by you. I am in the driver. I ain't put my hand in the driver. That'll kill you, man. Hey, out there, Con, you have a 113. Let's get on to 27. 27, nice guy. 113, nice guy. Because she's a ground pine cane, man, they probably think that, man, you still on top of my radio, I guarantee you. We're a nice guy.
But I'll tell you, sir, if this is a piece of information that got me mad. One of my distributors told me 2 weeks ago. And I asked her, I said, are there any 29 chromes in the warehouse that don't say the word dual mode? She says to me, no, we have none of those left. She said, and come starting January 1st, she goes, Unidon's going to be doing their radios dual mode too. Oh man, if they do it the same way Ranger did it, bro, I'm really going to be aggravated. And I think Unidon's got more class and ass in the game not to do it that way, but to pull out the oscillator and hook up the FM kit with a microprocessed oscillator through that oscillator can slot would be the wrong thing to do, because that means that transmit frequency can never be altered. Where it is where it is. And you don't want that when you're working FM. You don't want something that's a K or 2 off when you got a dual mode radio.
Yeah.
I guess I'll find out next week.
Why?
Because I need a little more cash on my books to make some orders, that's why.
Hey, 12, can I ease up in there with this ground? What are you ordering? Hey, 12.
Couple of more radios, you know me. I gotta send this Road Devil back though. I've already got my RMA number. The damn thing brand new, man. It keys the radio, but there's absolutely no audio coming out, so back it goes.
1200, hot rifle,
And it's not the wire and the plug that I checked that immediately. That's a full, beautiful factory connect right there. See, people don't believe that sometimes shit come out the factory box not working. You know, I mean, I had 3 shops, so I know that better than anybody, you know, but, you know, I'm just saying, you know, you got the tin heads who don't know anything. Oh, he fucked it up. Oh, he broke it. How could he have broken it? He pulled it out the package, plugged it in, and it don't work.
Yeah, about that radio line out there. Over here, the Razorback with the...
You ain't supposed to hear 127 when he's talking to his neighbor on a driver. You ain't, oh, that might be a clear indication that the antenna's defrosted. But you're not supposed to hear 127 when he's talking to a local on the driver.
27, 176.
I hear you, 176.
How about you out there at 1207? Rubber Ducky out here in Iowa with the wave.
I may not even be next weekend if it causes a whole lot of work. Hey, 1200, what are you later?
Hey, we're out here in Iowa, 12.
I'm gonna have to end this video gate. I'm going on 2150. I'm gonna have to stop this video gate at 2249. I'm gonna have to stop it at 2249. 2249. I'm gonna slap that stop button. I hear you, Chilly Willy. I hear you, Chilly Willy. But there ain't no girls out here for you to twin finsters on. Chilly Willy, I hear you. But there ain't no finsters out here so you could nip that Chilly Willy nose out of them now.
176. Chilly Willy, standing by. If you ain't got no driver, you better hire yourself a chauffeur.
There go Whiskey. There go Whiskey. I'm about to call his daddy.
Chauffeur.